What is a nostalgic toy, and why is it important, Vinny, to understand the various toys such as the Sonics and the Scooby-Doos and the various ones that we're going to show right now?
Well, yeah, it's more of a pop culture thing. It's TV shows, movies, video games, the characters you recognize as you went through life, and your Marios, your Sonics, your I can't remember, some
SpongeBob's,
Ninja Turtles and stuff like that. A lot of that is very popular stuff, and I've noticed that a lot of these TV shows for kids, a lot of these toys gain a lot of momentum on eBay, and a lot of them go for good prices. I wanted to touch on some vintage stuff today. I've just brought a bag of these vintage Fisher-Price. I'm sorry, I
love how excited you are.
I don't normally eat ice cream, and I had an ice cream. I'm just so hyper. But I have some questions a lot about these, like, should I sell them in big lots? Should I sell them individually? And these are Fisher-Price little people, and they're the vintage ones from the 70s. And you've got animals, you got little people. They look like this. They're like little circly, stubby, chubby
These are like 40,
people.
50 years old.
Yep, some of these are 50 years old.
Look at the quality 40, 50 years ago.
Wooden, some will be plastic. The wooden ones are a little bit older than the plastic ones. And the main thing I want to talk about is like how to sell these. Like, how am I gonna, I have this big lot. Do I throw it up in a big lot? Do I piece them out individually? What do I do with these Fisher-Price little people?
Sure.
And the answer to your question is all of the above. You can do whatever your heart desires at this point, because you can make your money selling in a big lot. You can make your money cutting them down, and you can make a little bit of money splitting them up into individual pieces. So it all depends on your time that you have and how much value you want to try to squeeze out of that item.
Okay.
So to get the most bang for your buck, I would suggest doing it medium lots with these things. And medium lots with themes is the best, because a lot of these came with sets that were themed. A farm set, a circus set, a construction set, a town set. They had a big town set. So,
but what's a medium lot mean?
Medium lot is like not this whole giant pile and not one or two. A medium lot is like
4 to 6 or 3 to 5.
4 to 6, whatever it may be that comes together. So what I would do is the farm ones got to go together. So you take a farm.
Yeah.
Take a farm. Any other farm ones you see?
Well, the chickens.
The chickens. We got. See now all of a sudden, look, we got a little pig.
You don't put a lion in there because.
Yeah, a lion doesn't go with a farm. And then we got another horse that doesn't belong. But
so is this a dog? That's not.
That is an Adventure People. This is a different Fisher-Price line. And then do we have any farm vehicles? At the moment, I don't have a farm vehicle. So there's one lot I just made right there. This is something I want to touch on real fast. This bag, $2.99 it cost me. And there's some Pokemon here.
That was a staple.
Oh, sorry. So you got some Pokemon. See the little Pokemon figures here?
Accessory? What is this thing that fell out of your bag?
Oh, that belongs to this guy. I think it goes in his mouth. And then these are Pokemon, right? You know Pokemon. Sure. Everybody knows Pokemon.
Absolutely.
Now, with the new Pikachu movie coming out, one of the reasons why I bought this bag. Now, I wanted to explain something to people about toys, right? So, when you're buying certain toys, sometimes the molds are sold to China, and they reproduce them and make them in mass quantities, and it kind of brings the value down. So you want to look at the brands on the toys. Like if you see Pokemon toys, look for the brand Tommy, T-O-M-Y.
Got it.
See it right there on the side?
Yep. It says Tommy China.
Tommy is the brand you want to find for these, and these are pretty valuable. I got a couple of them in there. Then I got some Mario.
Is that a Pokeball?
A Pokeball. I got 2 Pokeballs. This is all $2.99, by the way.
Oh my gosh.
I got a Pokeballs, and then I got some Mario figures. I've got a Five Nights at Freddy's. I mean, it's just a bunch of cool little things. And then you got this.
Is this a random thing?
That's a Yokai watch.